happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and we've got another smartphone by Tecno. This is the Tecno Spark Go 3. Now I'm pretty sure I have done a Tecno Spark smartphone. No idea where the Tecno Spark Go 2 went, but here we have the latest version, Tecno Spark Go 3. And in today's video we will check it out, give you first impressions and see what the smartphone is like. Now this phone costs £100. You can get it in a few different colors. All the information will be told in today's video. Just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above. As I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect and all sorts. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so upload any video you'll actually be notified. So in this video today, we'll take a look at the box, take a look at what we'll get inside of the box, then I will take a look at the design of the smartphone, then we'll take a look at some of the features and specifications with this phone, and then we'll switch it on, set it up, and take a look at the operating system to see what this Tecno Spark Go 3 is like. And if you want to see any other videos with this smartphone, let me know in the comment section below. Please check out my smartphones playlist, as I've got loads of mixtures of smartphones on there, ranging from Tecnos, Pocos, Xiaomi, Huawei's. The list is endless, to be honest. Make sure you check it out. Anyways, let's get started. Here is the Tecno Spark Go 3. Let's talk about some of the specifications and features with this smartphone. First off is the body. This is 167.7 times 77.8 times 8.1 millimeters. It has a glass front with a plastic back and a plastic frame. It's a dual nano SIM card smartphone as well, and it's IP64 dust and water resistant, drop resistant of up to 1.2 meters. Let's talk about the display. This has a 6.74 inch IPS LCD display with 120 Hz refresh rate with a resolution of 720 times 1600 pixels. It runs on Android 15 with iOS 15. The chipset is Unisoc T72012NM octa-core, and the GPU is Mali G57 MP1. You can also get this in a 64 gig and a 128 gig both with 4 gigs of RAM. It does look like it has a dual lens camera setup. Well, it's only a single lens camera setup with the 13 megapixel with dual LED. The second lens is a infrared sensor. Coming to the selfie camera, it has a water drop 8 megapixel camera. Some of the other features, it has got a loudspeaker at the top. It's also got a 3.5mm headphone jack. You have got a USB Type-C as well, Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth, GPS. It has not got NFC, but it has got an infrared port with infrared sensor at the top. You can also listen to FM radio. It has got a side mounted fingerprint sensor, which also has a face unlock as well. The battery is a 5000 mAh battery, and you get its 15 watt wired charging. You can get this in 4 different colors: the titanium grey, which I have here, ink black, galaxy blue, and aurora purple, and this costs around £99. The Tecno Spark Go 3. This is the titanium grey color. You can also get it in ink black, Galaxy Blue and Aurora Purple. But did I choose the right color? Let me know in the comments. It's a really nice titanium look color, this one. So let's power it on and let's see. Let's set it up first and then we'll check out the operating system to see what it's like. So as you can see here, it says Tecno powered by Android. You have got some animations and it's just loading up. That's the loading logo, which we have right there. So hopefully we should be able to set it up in the UK settings, as this is a global smartphone and the color is really nice. So yeah, here we go. So as you can see here, it has got a water drop camera lens. So it's got hello in different languages. English United States. Let's see if it's got English UK. Let's scroll all the way down to the bottom, see if they've got UK. Got loads of different languages though. I think it's just the US, but nevertheless we can actually still use it, as it'll be exactly the same. So English, insert SIM card, we'll skip that. Connect to Wi-Fi, we'll skip that one as well. User agreement and services, I've read it because I've unboxed and reviewed that many Tecno smartphones. I've gone through it. So these are some of the security features you can use: a fingerprint sensor, a face unlock and a password, but we'll check out the fingerprint sensor later in the video. Google services, we'll take these off, except that. Set up your screen lock, so let's agree to that. Mobile cloner, skip, and high OS, that's what it actually runs on. Get ready, based on Android 15, and there we have it. Nice and easy, very easy to set up, but of course when you add your SIM card and your Wi-Fi and all that stuff, it does take a little bit more time. But overall, the display, let's put it all the way up, the display. Look at that. Let's look at the display on this. You have got a really big bezel at the bottom. It comes with a preloaded screen protector, not a glass one, just a cheap one. But overall, the screen to body ratio is not bad. You've got thick bezels all around with a bigger bezel at the bottom where the chin is. So let's open it up and let's press left. As you can see, that's your notifications. Swiping down from the right, you have got your shortcuts. And here we have it. Swiping it down, it'll actually tell you flashlight, ring, portrait lock, do not disturb, screen recorder, and so on. You can also press the plus button to add your own eye care, device controls. So you have got quite a few to choose from: high translate, transcribe, vision, writing, explore. So you can add all them to your shortcuts as well. And there we have it. Holding it in will bring it straight up to the settings. So that's when you scroll down on it. Swiping it to the right will bring up your zero screen. Welcome to zero screen. Swiping it to the left is your menu. Swiping it up will bring up your full menu as well. Holding it in, you can actually change your icons, your into folders, or change your wallpapers, widgets. Let's go into wallpapers, see what they've got. You can do online wallpapers. Let's choose that one, apply that one, so it brings out the color and the screen of this smartphone. So let's go into back. Let's see what apps are already preloaded on here. So you've got your normal Google preloaded apps on here with your iOS family apps as well, and also your tools. Going back to the home screen, you have got a few apps on the home screen as well. So you got AHA Games, AI Gallery, Palm Store settings, which we'll go into later. And swiping it to the left will bring some more apps as well. So you got a few social media apps preloaded, Free Link, High Team, Ella, File Management, and also some more games and some more apps as well. Let's go back there. So let's go into settings and let's see what we have here. So you've got log into my Tecno ID, my phone. Let's see what it actually says in my phone. So it is a 64 gig memory smartphone. You can actually choose also a 128 gig, and they both are 4 gigs of RAM. Tecno Spark Go 3, the model is KN3 as well. CPU, you got your RAM which is 4 gig, 13 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera. The battery is 5000 mAh as well, and the resolution on the screen is 720 times 1600. It is running Android 15. So yeah, it gives you a lot of information when you go into my phone, which is a good feature to have if you was actually want to know the details of your phone. So you've got a few settings here: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, Tecno AI. So here are some of the features you can use in Tecno AI. Not as many as you could do in the other ones. Display and brightness, as you can see, scrolling all the way down, it does have 120 Hz refresh rate as well, but we'll leave it on. Well, actually, we'll leave it high, as you know it. Color temperature, swiping it to the left, screen timeout, fonts, portrait, lock, full screen apps as well, sound and vibration, notification and status bar. So it's pretty basic. For £100 it's a decent smartphone. You do get good features on it, including fingerprint sensor, 120 Hz refresh rate, password and security. Let's go into fingerprint and let's set it. So we'll do it as a pattern. You've got to wait 5 seconds, as it always does on these Android phones. And let's swipe it to the, do the Allsortzz lock screen, add fingerprint. So it is on the side, so the power button is a fingerprint sensor as well. And let's, you've got to make sure you tap your thumb on here. Make sure you get it everywhere, so it registers your fingerprint. And it's taking a bit of time. Well, what do you expect for a budget smartphone? Let's see, last bit left. There we go, finish. Add another fingerprint. Oh, I actually got a bit of my right index finger there as well. So will it unlock with that one? We'll see anyway. Let's go back and keep. It is taking a bit of time. It is taking a bit of time. Keep clicking it as well. There we go, last one. There we go, finish. So let's see how quick this fingerprint sensor is. Wow, not bad. No animation or nothing, no vibrate, and straight in. So look, I'll show you. That's it, locked, and pushing it in, it's unlocked. So pretty quick, to be honest. Look at that. Let's switch the screen on. There we go. That's how fast it is. Really good. Really good. Not bad, to be honest. We'll go back into settings. Got privacy. You've got all your information here. App management. Display over other apps. You can actually use that as well, which is a good feature to have if you're using it as a work phone. Let's go back. Location, special functions. So you got dynamic port and outdoor booster, battery and power saving, storage, digital well-being, safety, using accounts, Google and system. So overall, for £100, this is a pretty decent smartphone. So what do you get? You also get a headphone jack, which you don't get in a any other flagship smartphones. You've got a single lens camera, which is 13 megapixel dual LED fingerprint sensor. You can also do face unlock as well, 120 Hz refresh rate. So overall, it's not a bad smartphone. But I will be doing a top 10 features with this, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out on my Allsortzz channel. If you want to see any other videos with this Tecno Spark Go 3, let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you again for another video.